Hi, my name is Fam. So I head innovation and CX for Insular Life. It's a 109-year-old financial institution and the largest Filipino insurance company in the Philippines. So how do we participate in the fintech industry? What we do is we connect with a lot of fintechs for possible sponsorships, partnerships, and even just collaborate with everyone. We like learning from startups. We like learning from other corporations that are also very active in the space. And fintech, we find fintech PH as one of those avenues for us to be able to get exposed.
I'm Elsa from Papaya Group, and I'm the country manager of Papaya Philippines. I joined Papaya like 5 years before, and I've done the strategy investment and do the strategy planning and the incubation for a lot of business line in Papaya. So right now we are just started our business here, and we are quite open to a lot of cooperation opportunities like joint venture, investment, and maybe do it by ourselves. And we are very open to like cooperation with the banks and also a lot of traditional finance service department. And Papaya is the leading fintech company in China, and we've listed 2 years before in New York stock market. And we are the kind of like ranked number one in terms of the borrowers in China. We provide services for the unbanked people, which means they don't have credit card but they have debit card. So that's the business that we do.